Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your DoorDash account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Access account settings. Log into your account, then navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Step 3. Find security settings. Look for a section labeled Security or Privacy within the account settings. This is where you can manage your security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Verify your method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authentication app. Complete the verification process to finalize the setup. Now your DoorDash account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Always remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.